Hello person watching this, I'm MrJaxacoola. I make videos basically on stuff that I'm interested in. Yeah, I basically make videos on stuff that I'm interested in, such as skateboarding, BMXing. I like editing because of the fact that I got an iMovie, stuff you can do on iMovie, like this. Or, you know, other stuff like that. Really great things about iMovie is you can do things like this. I have coins inside my head. And that is cool. No, seriously. Okay, so my internet persona is MrJaxacoola. I quite like what I do. So, yeah, really. That is, now I'm going to officially think of something up. Thank you. Thank you all. Stop.